do the dab it, and I gotta flip the pot pour up.
You see these things?
Can you hit the middle windshield wiper? There's one directly in front of us, but it looks white.
Yeah, it's nice in here.
If you start driving slower, I can go start setting up. No, I'm just gonna start getting everything set up. No, I'm not gonna be able to do anything until you're stopped because I gotta open this, dab it up. There's one way over there, right in front of the rocks. It's really close to shore though. It seems really close to shore. It's like, see that patch where the trees are? Look right to the left of it and down right in the water over by the hillside.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to stop so I can get to dab it before you get close to it? You wanna go ahead and hand me that thing? And we'll get it hooked up while I'm up here. I think we were on the other one yesterday, but we'll try this one and see if it's any better. Perfect, yeah. Okay, cool.
Are you all good?
Back? No, it's mostly just my knees. And for some reason, my hands are super sore.
Well, I mean, your hands are freezing probably. Although,
No, it was warm.
yeah, I'm just like, you had a warm body.
You're good, center thoughts down that way.
Do you, did you,
Sounds good. It's glass in here too, it's beautiful. What?
did you change anything with that wiring yesterday?
No.
Okay, so I think we're good.
Yeah.
What's up, Barry?
As soon as I get next to this, I'm just gonna shut this.
Okay. Yeah.
There?
Mm-hmm. A little bit. We're shrimping!
Big shrimping. Now how much?
50.
Another 50.
Does that need to be out?
The black one's the one string though, so it'll be, no, it doesn't need out. There's actually only one pot on this one. This is the black pots.
That's your favorite.
I hope this thing is just chock full.
Same. This was our good one.
This was.
Oh. Okay.
You might just have to take off this. Oh, there you go. Oh, never mind.
We're full wrap still, but I think it's, yeah, it's a non-issue issue. Okay.
I need to take off that. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna drop this. Why does it always seem like the longest 50 feet of your life?
Because you're impatient.
I'm just so excited.
Alright, kill it. Big shrimping! Oh yeah! Good one!
Holy shit!
Woo!
Good. Dang.
That's full.
That's beautiful.
That's the biggest
That's
one
what
we've
that
ever
is.
pulled.
We need a picture.
Get a
of it,
picture of
too.
this, yeah.
I'll take this off real quick.
Oh Mandy, we should hold this thing up.
Okay.
Hold it up like in the boat also.
Yeah.
That is the water shrimp.
Yeah.
What we like to say.
We gotta get that
There's gotta be
bucket.
100 in there.
How did we lose all our buckets to shore already?
Good.
God.
Shit.
That's so cool.
I'm just like, did that really happen?
Alright, let's I'm gonna swing over.
Okay.
We'll set that one button right
A little easier with your gloves.
Woo. Woo!
gotta just do it.
Yeah, kill it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're floating.
Holy shit. Oh, not as much. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good.
Yeah, that's still a good fall for sure. Woo! Alright.
Good?
Yep.
Wait, put that in.
Well, I'll have to get it over here first. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, yeah, very wet. Alright, will you kill it real quick? Yeah. Make sure it's out. Alright, we're good.
Here's the sea life club.
Oh, look, that one's trying to come out. Oh. Another good f***ing pull.
Look how big that one is.
Yeah, that's a good one. You're good. I got it. Or Manny's got it.
I don't remember. That's what Kirkland's camera did.
Thank you. Good. We need to, I think after we get these launched, we should, I'll get the sprayer out and spray a little bit.
Oh yeah, it'll be
And I can put more water in there. Okay, so we'll do, is there only 2 strings on this one?
Yeah.
We'll bring this guy down. And then over. Oh, that's that. Okay. Yeah, cool. I think we're good. Crank this shit up, Spence. I hate fucking throwing the 2 pots.
Yeah.
It's so much sketchier. I know, I'm like more prepared now than I was yesterday on the first one.
Yeah.
But like, fuck, I was like, that was way quicker than I thought.
Like, think what he said, it comes real quick.
Yeah.
I mean, knowing like, you just gotta get ready right away.
Yeah. Yeah, we're ready.
Now? Oh no.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that was a disaster. Oh, no.
Stretch it out a little bit, honey.
Nice. Killed it. All right, babe, let me tie this off before you start.
I'll count mine.
That's it?
What?
170.
I had 9.
Say we're waiting on you.
You had how many?
9 with yours.
So 179 plus 193. 372. 372. Spencer, to the right of the steering wheel, there's a button that says wash down pump. Can you click that on? Do you want to slide the door shut so I don't spray a bunch of water in the cab?